On our project, we have a connection point between the armrest and the front leg, and we have previously laid out our drill point locations for our dowel, which will be holding this together. Our dowel measures 0.622, or about 5/8 of an inch, and our Forstner bit also measures about 0.62, which is 5/8 of an inch. On my leg, I'm going to be drilling down 1 inch depth. So I have applied a small piece of tape to my Forstner bit to remind me when to stop. And on my armrest, I want to make sure that I do not drill all the way through. So I'm going to set the drill bit up against my workpiece and apply a small piece of tape at the point that I know I will not be drilling through the entire workpiece. I can then clamp my workpiece and drill down to my tape. And I will want to do this for both sides. And when finished, I have corresponding dowel holes that should line up perfectly. And with those holes drilled, I'm going to cut a couple 1 3/8 inch pieces of dowel, sand the pencil marks off of my armrest pieces, and install those dowels with just a little bit of glue, and wipe any excess glue.